Hey everyone, today I will show you how to reactivate your Facebook account. So first of all, open the Facebook like this, browser and applications, and log in now. Like enter your mobile number and enter your passwords. Like type your mobile number and type your password and log in now. And you show error like this. Um, Recent activate your uh, account, so click again and your account is successfully activated. I'm not so because I'm not deactivate any account, but you deactivate account, so enter and you show it like this error. So reactivate your account and confirm and your account is successfully reactivated. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.